is up, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. So it snowed again here in Virginia, which is a pretty rare occasion. So we're definitely taking out the 72 volt Razor MX650 snow bike. And I also want to answer some of the questions I've been getting. The most common one is it hard to turn? The short answer is yes. You have to lean with the bike for the front end to stay planted and catch. But if you've snowboarded before or skied, you'd understand the concept 1 minute into riding the bike. It'll be very easy to catch on. And then the second one is this a regular tire? This is actually a custom studded tire by K3 Off-Road. Appreciate that man for making this project possible. I can't imagine having this much grip or braking power without that studded tire. I originally thought that I had to make a track system like some other YouTubers out there with snowblower track or whatever, but it seemed like it was really slow and not that exciting to ride those bikes. So I kind of just wanted to see how this works, but I get plenty of traction and braking power with this tire. The setup certainly has its limitations. Obviously, a track system would be a lot more efficient in deeper snow, but we don't get that here in Virginia. And it's also a lot of drivetrain for this little tiny motor to power. So this is the faster setup in my case. And then this front ski does like to understeer when there's less than 2 inches of snow on the street. Like you'll hear the edges scraping. So I just try to stay above 3 inches of snow. This setup overall is not really set up for deep snow. I would say minimum of 3 to max 7 inches of snow. It'd be pretty efficient. And then this front bracket that I'm using is by Bike the Slopes. It's meant for a mountain bike. I just drilled the inside so it's a little bit more hollow so I can fit a 10mm axle. And then this is a Solomon 90cm mini ski. And then as far as powertrain, I'm just using a Vever brushless MY1020 motor paired with a Kelly controller that's been tuned by Electro & Co. And that's powered by an Amorge 72 volt 20 amp hour 120 amp peak lithium battery. Let's go take this thing out and see how it rips. still pretty surprising how well the Razor ski bike setup works considering how simple it is. I'm actually thinking about doing the same thing for my Talaria XXX, using a Polaris timber sled front ski assembly and then studding my Shinko rear tire. Let me know what you guys think about that idea or if you have any suggestions. But if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you like this kind of content, want to keep up with some of my bike projects, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.